On International Nurses Day, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the entire University of the West of Scotland to extend our warmest wishes and deepest gratitude to nurses around the world. This year's theme for International Nurses Day, the economic power of care, resonates deeply with us and with me personally. A lot has changed in the 41 years since I started my own training to become a registered general nurse. But some things have stayed the same. Nurses continue to play a vital role in keeping our communities healthy and thriving. Their dedication and expertise not only improve lives, but also contribute significantly to the economic well-being of our society, aligning with the goals outlined in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. SDG 3, Good Health and Wellbeing, is directly impacted by the work of nurses, as they play a key role in disease prevention, health promotion and treatment. Additionally, SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth, is advanced by the strong and healthy workforce which nurses help to maintain. Here at UWS, we hold a special place in our heart for nurses. We are immensely proud to be Scotland's largest provider of nursing and midwifery education. Our dedicated faculty equips our students with the knowledge, skills and compassion they need to excel in this vital field. UWS graduates go on to make a real and lasting difference in the lives of individuals across communities, and their dedication and care touch countless families every single day. So to all the nurses out there, thank you. Thank you for your unwavering commitment, your tireless work, and the incredible impact you have on those you care for.